Are you looking for a quick and simple way to add animations to your text and graphics? Today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do that in just a few steps. 3, 2, 1, let's add it. So let's just hop right into it. So let's just say you're in Final Cut Pro and you want to add some animations to your text or graphics, but it's pretty hard to learn keyframes. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to animate it with this free plugin by MotionVFX. First of all, to download it, head to MotionVFX.com. Then from here, go to the search bar and search MBehaviors Basic. They have an MBehaviors plugin, but that one is paid. This free one comes with a lot already. You don't have to pay anything at all. And then from there, just hit get it free. So yeah guys, it's completely free and it's actually pretty cool. It's very easy to learn as well. So let me just show you guys how to do that. First of all, let's add some text. So let's click Control T to add some basic text right here. Then let's just type animations. Alright, so just put any font that you want. I have this one right here. And then let's just go ahead and put any background here. So I'm gonna put a nice green background right here just so you can see the back part of it. So when you download this plugin, here's everything that it comes with. When you download this plugin, it comes with 3 different types of animations. The in animations, which pretty much make your text or graphics come in. Through animations is really cool for just like little bounces in between. And your out animation. The out animations, just as it sounds, it makes your text and graphics go out. To actually get to your plugin, go to the generator sidebar. Then head down to the MBehaviors Basic. Then from here you can see all your animations. Like right here you can see these are all the outs, which make all of them come in. So let's just say we want wobble RX in. We need to put this towards the beginning since of course we want this to start. We want this to start at the beginning of our text. You can still see the background right here. So to change that, we need to make it a compound clip. Compound clips are a group of videos that are editable in the future. So think of them sort of as a file on your desktop. You can have multiple files inside different files. So think of it like that. You have all your videos that you can bind in a compound clip into one. And if you double click them, you can edit everything else inside of them. Highlight the text and the animation and click Option G to make it a compound clip. You don't really need to name it anything, it doesn't really matter, so just click OK. Then from there you can see the only thing that changes is the text. So let's just say you're not happy with the result of the text. Just double click on the compound clip, and by the way, you know it's a compound clip if you see these 2 little blocks right here. Just double click it. You can either stretch it out, which makes it go slower, or you can make it shorter, which makes it go much faster, but we want it to be a little longer. Then to exit a compound clip, just click this arrow on the bottom of your video. Wow guys, we just made that in like less than a minute, so they're really easy to make, and the better and better you get, you can probably make these in seconds. So that's just one of them, but let's just head over to the out animations. So now you can see we hit the out section on our animations, and again these make all your animations such as text and graphics go out. So let's just do bounce X out. Then all the out ones you want to put towards the end, and make sure to do it smaller if you want it to go out faster and longer if you want it to go out slower. Let's do it about right here. Again, highlight both of them, Option G. You don't have to name it anything and just click OK. So now you can see we have a nice out animation. So now let's go ahead and check the through animation. So now we have the through animations. Let's just do condense, drop it in, and for this one you want to do it for the whole thing. Again, Option G to make it a compound clip. That's a must guys, you have to do this for it to work. So you can see we have a very cool animation right there. I really like how it goes back and forth. So those are just a few animations, there's a lot of them. So let me just show you guys a few examples. So those are some examples of some of the animations. As you can see, it comes with a lot of ins, outs, and throughs. Another thing you may have noticed is that a lot of the ins come with a matching out. So let's just say you have a drop in, you can have a drop out. So you can match the animations from the start to the end. Again, this is free. It's by MotionVFX. You can go to their website. They have a bunch of different cool plugins and it will really help you out on animating. So thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.